down at the Gold Coast and we're using a big screen TV. And I'm going to use it with this thing here, which is Google TV. But in the meantime, I'll switch the camera on. I can show you what the TV looks like. It's the big screen TV. It took me ages to call up to get this whole thing going. It's taken me 4 days to get the thing going. Anyway, so eventually, also, it comes with a remote, right? There's a remote, okay? However, to use the remote and type in things like the Bureau of Meteorology or something like that is hard as hell. So what I did is I noticed this whole thing uses Google TV. So just to come back, this is Google TV. If I go into that, you'll notice one of the things down the bottom that says remote. Touch remote and it connects up. All right, now that one connected up all right, but for example, I'm connecting to remote via Bluetooth. All right, so if I use the arrow keys here, which I'm doing, all right, okay, I'm touching this, but I'm going to turn the volume up. I can't show this and the screen at the same time, so perhaps what I'll do is switch over to my camera, right? And I can't take a camera and that at the same time, but somewhere on the screen there's supposed to be a cursor I can move around. I found that the user interface with this is absolutely lousy. It's pathetic trying to use the user interface. I'll try using with one more remote. There we are. You can see that's the arrow key. If I want to use that arrow and I want to point to something like that, I'll go up to the top and type in something. You've got to press it that way, or I can switch over to here. Hopefully this will work. Switch that off, all right, and go to Google TV. Then I've got to press the remote button. Then I've got to select a device. It comes up with that, and then I've got to backspace that. As I'm doing that, I can't show you on the TV. I can type something in. For example, oops. If I do that and press go, what it should do is go to my home page, which it won't because I just realised my server's not working. My web page is not working at home because we had a power failure. All right. Anyway, so that's the way that things are supposed to work. Anyway, but the interface is really lousy. Let's just go back out of this. All right, and go to TV remote. And notice I've got to press TV remote yet again. Now it's going to select a device. This is another thing that has. It's scanning. Whereas the device was selected before, but now it says it's scanning for a device. All right. And it takes ages to scan for a device, so this is a Bluetooth thing, so I don't know why it takes so long. Anyway, select device. Select device, scanning. This is the problem. I've been through this multiple times. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It depends on what's going on. But anyway, all right, so we'll come out of that. We'll come out and go back to the camera. So, to get back to where you want to go, you've got to press the home button. All right, so I press the home button, and it brings me up to that screen, whatever that screen is. All right, press home again. Brings me to that screen. Now this interface is absolutely lousy, all right? Sometimes you can put things on the bottom of the screen, sometimes you can't. For example, before I was trying to look to find, there we are, oh, it's not there anymore. I wanted to find my internet browser. Where is it? It's not there. The internet browser is just not there. Okay. To set up each one of these, like iView, I had to set up an account. Channel 7, I have to set up an account. Channel 9, I have to set up an account. I had to set up an account to run this whole thing. So it's very difficult, not very intuitive, and I don't know how people use it. You can see some of the things I've been looking at, all right? Okay. The thing I find annoying, if I press the home button, really annoying, is the fact that, all right, you get all this advertising, all right? First of all, you get advertising. That's advertising that TV show. But if you want to watch that TV show, right, you press the OK button, says that. You want to look at the trailer, you'll notice, I want to watch it, it's $24.99, $25 to watch a TV. Might as well go to the movies, right? I suppose if you've got half a dozen people, it's worthwhile. But, you know, why anybody would pay to do these things, it was beyond me. The other situation is if I press home again, all right, and I go to some of these things, for example, I have these same things at home. For example, I don't have Netflix, but I have YouTube. Well, that's free, that's not a problem. Except with YouTube, every time I watch a YouTube video, all right, ads come up in the middle of it. My one at home, because I use it with Kodi, I don't get ads. Same with Channel 9, Channel 7. The only one that doesn't come up with ads is ABC. We watched a movie last night on ABC simply because I normally watch SBS as well. By the way, if I go to see all, where's SBS? Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's SBS. It doesn't say SBS, it says #on, which I happen to know is SBS. All right. All right. That's really good. Gives you a blank screen. The internet mustn't be working very well. All right. So there we are, SBS on demand. Okay. Right. Once again, to use SBS, I have to log in. And then when I'm watching SBS, every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 5 or 10 minutes, I get an ad. Right. When I'm at home, I use Kodi, I don't get the ads. I don't know how people put up with watching ads on their TVs. Obviously, people are just used to it. They don't know any different, and that's it. But anyway, that's my really bad experience of using a smart TV, which is Google TV, at a place on the Gold Coast. There we are on the Gold Coast. All right. Bye.